Hey guys, Technomentary here today with a really exciting video for you guys. So I bought the iPhone 11 Pro Max a couple days ago from eBay and it just came in today. If you guys are looking to buy a cheap iPhone 11 Pro Max or any iPhone, check out the link down below in the description that I have included for you guys directly to the cheapest phones that you can find on eBay, especially iPhones. So before we get started, I wanted to make an announcement that we are going to be doing a giveaway for one of the iPhones. To simply enter the giveaway, like this video, subscribe to our channel so you know when we're doing the giveaway, and then finally share this video in one of your social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or whatever you have. And then at the end, just comment that you have done all the steps so that I know to enter you into the contest. So as you see right here, the phone came in, I believe, in like 3 days, which is pretty fast whenever you order on eBay. Although eBay doesn't have something like Amazon Prime, it's still pretty fast whenever you buy stuff from it. One thing to note, that whenever you buy from eBay, I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of tricks and a couple of tips as well. Also, check out the link in the comment that are included on how to safely buy on eBay, or how to find the cheapest deals on eBay as well. So first thing first, let's go ahead and open this box up. So I have a scissor here. Just gonna go ahead and cut this box. So let's go ahead and, okay, so as you see right now, this came in this generic box we have right here. So let me remove the lighting from here for you guys. So this is the box it came in. Generic smartphone box. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. One thing to note, whenever you're buying on eBay, I wanted to share with you guys, is that you want to buy from a seller that has lots of feedback, with at least 95% positive feedback. Make sure the seller listing has at least 30-day return policy. And then the next thing you want to do is that look at how many units has been sold. So next to the listing, it'll list you how many quantities you can buy and how many has been sold so far. So you want to buy from a listing that has a lot sold already. And then the next thing you want to check out is the condition. Usually whenever you're buying used phones, you want to buy used, seller refurbished, manufacturer refurbished, pre-owned, open box. Those are usually good ones to buy from. And of course new. There's also new iPhones on eBay. What you want to avoid are for parts or iCloud or bad IME, things of that, because unless you know how to fix it, I wouldn't go there. And finally, thoroughly read the description to make sure you know what's going to be in your purchase, like if they're going to include chargers or headphones, or what even the condition of the phone is. Usually you want to buy phones that are at least B or B plus or higher, or in good or very good condition. So the seller should list what condition it will come in. And finally, if you have any questions, you can always shoot a message or contact the seller of the listing to see what you're getting. So here, as you can see right now, I am going to unbox it, leave this box aside here, and then take a look at what we have in the content of the box. So as you see, this is the iPhone 11 Pro here. And we're going to be looking at the other stuff that we have. So we have, as you can see, this is the seller. This is a popular seller on eBay and Amazon. And then here we have are the chargers. Of course, I believe this is the USB-C or the new fast charge, I think. So we're going to leave that aside as well here. And then, actually, let's move all this stuff aside so we can go ahead and actually take a look at the phone. So here's the wrapper. This is the phone. Pretty excited. This is the midnight green edition of the iPhone 11 Pro, as you can see here. And we're going to go ahead and take this wrapping off. So as you see, this is a fantastic color. I love this color. So here it is, the phone, as you see right up top. Hopefully you can see. So looking at the back, as you see, perfect condition in the back, no issues. Top part, I don't know if you can see, it's also perfect, no issues there. This side, flawless as well. The back and the charging port and the speaker, they're clean as well. And then this side as well looks clean as well. So overall, the back and the sides are good. And then if we look in the front, you'll notice there's a tempered glass already pre-installed for us, which is nice of this seller because this is a used phone. So let's go ahead and power on this bad boy. So we are powering it on right now. As you see, the Apple logo just appeared right now for us. So let's give it a second or two, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to set it up to the home screen so you guys can see. These phones are fully functional. So the seller, although these are used phones, they do all the testing for you, so you don't have to worry about any issues with it whatsoever. So right now I'm going to go ahead and select my country here, then connect to the Wi-Fi here. So I'm just putting in my Wi-Fi password. Give me a second right now. So right now it is connecting to the Wi-Fi, and then it will take a second or two actually. All right. So Face ID set up. So the new iPhone 11, the Pro, they don't use Touch ID or the fingerprint ID. They use your face to do authentication. You can set that up now or set it up later. I'm just going to go ahead and bypass that for now. Set a passcode. Of course, you want to set that up. But for our demo purposes, we're going to be just skipping through that as well. So let's keep on going so I can show you guys more of the phone. Here is apps and data. If you're looking to back it up, you want to do it here. But like I said, this is just to show you guys. So I'll do that later from my phone. Apple ID, so this is to use iMessage and FaceTime and all of the features such as Apple Music and app stores that are associated with having an Apple ID. Either you can sign into your existing one, or if you forgot your password, you can click that, or if you don't have one, you can create a free one. So Apple ID is free with any Apple devices that you buy. So, or you can set it up later. So we're just going to go ahead and set up later just so I can go through the screens for you guys. Terms and condition, so all the legal stuff. I'm going to go ahead and just agree. Express settings, so if you're looking to customize or use the express setting, you can of course do that. Keeping your phone up to date, so this is important if you're looking to have the updates, the iOS updates that come out automatically installed, but you can always do it manually as well. So I'm going to just hit manually for now. iMessage and FaceTime, same thing. If you're looking to set that up, you'll need to do that here. So we're going to go ahead and do all of this. And then Siri, it's going to ask you for like 5 different commands, I believe, to get it used to your voice. We can set that up later in settings as well. Screen time basically gives you a report of how much screen time, how much time you're spending on having the phone on throughout the week, and to give you an insight how much phone you're using and what apps you use the most. Again, it's a good feature for analytics, but for now we're just gonna hit and then app analytics, as you see in this screen. If you're looking to share the analytics with app developers to make the iPhone better. And then True Tone Display, which automatically adapts to ambient lighting condition to make colors appear more consistent in their environment. Gonna hit continue here, and then the appearance, of course, you have the light mode and the dark mode. Whatever your preference is, you want to select that. So you're just going to leave it the default. Go home. So with the iPhone 11, you're going to have a home a little different because it doesn't have the home button. You're going to have to swipe from the bottom to go home. So we're going to continue switching between apps. You want to swipe further from the bottom corner and then release to show your recent apps. So that's another way, because you don't have the home button to double click. You're going to have to do that. Quickly access control. So this is, if you swipe downwards from the top, the control menu is now coming from the top on the newer phones, not from the bottom. So you're going to hit that. And as you can see, we're at welcome to iPhone. So this is a real iPhone, guys. This is not a fake iPhone or anything like that. One way to quickly verify is that if you go to Apple Store, a fake phone won't have this Apple Store because it will have a Google Play or Android store. That's one way to quickly verify a phone is actually legit. The other thing you can do is, of course, go to About and then go to General, and then in the About, take the serial number of the phone and put it in the Apple website, and it will verify that it is an Apple Apple phone, which if you Google, I believe, Apple serial number lookup, you'll be able to do that. So far, so good. We're going to want to test some of the buttons just to show you guys that these phones are fully functional and they have no issues whatsoever. So if you guys are looking to buy it, definitely check out the link in the description below. So I'm going to test the power button here. So volume up, volume down. And then the silent button here, which works fine as well. And then the lock button works fine, no issues there. And then the flashlight, I don't know if you can see it, the flashlight is on, that works. And then we're going to test the camera here. So for the camera, back camera, as you can see here, works, no issues there. And then the front camera works fine as well, no issues there. So the camera works, everything else works. And then next thing I want to show you guys is, you guys asked for, is the battery health here. As you see, the battery health on this phone is 100%. So this is almost like a new phone, but you're paying, cheaper than a new phone. This one, I believe, cost around $900 or something, because this is the 256 gig one. So this one has a lot more memory. I think in store it costs around, with taxes and everything, around $1,300 or something. So that's, I'm saving a couple $100 from, buying it used or pre-owned, and it has almost 100% health. And the other thing to note is that I can return this phone if there's any issues or if I don't like the phone, because there's a 30-day return policy. If you find for whatever reason that you don't like it. And this phone is an unlocked version, which means I can use it on any carrier I want. If you're buying a phone that's specific for a specific carrier, for example, it says T-Mobile, you'll be able to only use it for T-Mobile and its sub-carriers. If you're buying for AT&T, you can only use it for AT&T and its sub-carriers, meaning parent companies that are under the parent company. But unlocked phones, you can use it anywhere, even internationally as well. That's why I like to usually buy unlocked phones, so I don't have to worry about any of that. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you guys are looking to buy an iPhone, check out the link in the description. And also remember to enter the giveaway. Simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and then share this video in one of your social media, and then comment below that you have done that. Thanks for watching, guys.